Hello everyone, I am Gyan and you are learning Computer Science with Python for class 11th. In this video we are going to learn about device drivers. Device drivers. We already have talked about the operating system in the previous video of this series. We know that this is the operating system which accesses multiple hardwares. Applications running in a computer are not allowed to access hardware directly. Applications use the operating system to access the hardware, and operating system accesses hardware for all the applications running in that computer. But to access a hardware, operating system should know what to talk with that hardware in order to access that. I mean, if the operating system has to access the keyboard, then the operating system should know what kind of signal should be given to the keyboard and what kind of signal should be expected from the keyboard. If the operating system has to access a disk, then operating system should know what kind of signal should be given to the hard disk and what kind of signal should be expected from the hard disk. I am using a writing pad. Of course, only operating system is allowed to access the writing pad. So operating system should know what kind of signal should be given to the writing pad and what kind of signal operating system should expect from the writing pad. So all the devices which are connected to the computer, operating system should know about those devices, that how to talk with them, how to conversate with them, what kind of signal to send them, and what kind of signal should we expect from them. But now the question is how an operating system gets this information, how an operating system comes to know about what to talk to which hardware. Such information comes to the operating system through device drivers. Device drivers. There are different device drivers for different hardware. There will be different device driver for the keyboard. There will be different device driver for the hard disk drive. There will be different device driver for the writing pad. So all the hardware will have different device drivers. And the device driver corresponding to a given hardware says the operating system about how to conversate with that hardware. So the picture should look like this. There is an operating system, and inside the operating system there is a software called device driver. I am writing DD, and this whole thing is the operating system. Now this DD is particular for the keyboard. Okay, here you have your keyboard. Then operating system asks DD that what signal can we send to the keyboard in order to access it. Then device driver actually says the operating system that how to conversate with the keyboard. In the similar way, if you have SSD, then you will have a different device driver for that SSD. Okay, how many hardwares you have, that many device driver you will have installed in your operating system. Without device driver, operating system never knows how to talk with a hardware and what to expect from a hardware. In the similar way, if you have to use the Wi-Fi connection, then there should be a device driver for Wi-Fi card. If you have to use the LAN card, the Ethernet card, there should be a device driver for the Ethernet card. So how many types of input output devices you have, how many types of hardware you have, that many device driver you require in order to execute it. For the monitor, you have a different device driver. Monitor. Okay, for the monitor, you have a different device driver. So all the hardware, all the input output devices will have different device drivers. Now let's write the formal definition of device driver. The purpose of device driver, the purpose of device driver is to ensure proper functioning of a particular device, is to ensure proper functioning of a particular device. Okay, as we already have discussed, the device driver acts as an interface between the device and the operating system. The device driver acts as an interface between the device and the operating system. The device and the operating system. What device driver does is actually hides the nature of a hardware. Okay, and provides a formal interface of any hardware with the operating system. Okay, means the hard disk has a different nature than the keyboard. The keyboard has a different nature than the mouse. The mouse has different nature than the Wi-Fi card. So a device driver actually hides the actual nature of the hardware and shows a formal interface for all kinds of devices. So the device driver provides required services by hiding the details of operations performed at the hardware level of the device. So you can say that a device driver acts as a mediator between the operating system and the attached device. And last thing is that similar to operating system, similar to system utilities, the device driver is also a system software. The device driver is also a system software. So hopefully you got the concept of device driver. So that's all for you about the device driver in the class 11th. We will keep on learning the course Computer Science with Python for class 11th. See you in the next video.